Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. This is Khana Mansa Shehzadi here. Welcome to STEAM Education. Dear teachers and students, we are reading BZB Mathematics Prep class, and in this video we are going to learn about backward counting 22-1. Student learning outcomes. Read and write number 22-1. Now counting 20-1 as backward counting. Mr. Bunny wants to jump over the stones. Help him to count the numbers. Mr. Bunny jump करना चाहता है इन stones के ऊपर. Let's start. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. हमने बनी की हेल्प की है. वो 20 से 1 तक तमाम स्टोन्स के ऊपर काउंट कर सका है. Hands on. Count backward and fill the missing numbers. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, okay, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 8, 9, 6, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. For teacher, explain the term backward counting. Involve the students in counting, reading, writing number 22-1. I hope so teachers, आपने इस वीडियो से बहुत कुछ सीखा होगा. मज़ीद सीखने और जानने के लिए हमारे साथ रहिएगा. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. तब तक अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा. खुदा हाफिज़.